Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Pinterest 2026. So what this integration does, when your Shopify store is connected to Pinterest, your product catalog syncs to Pinterest as product pins. Pinterest knows your website is claimed and verified, and a Pinterest tag and conversion tracking can be installed, and you can run Pinterest ads or get a merchant presence. Your product can be discovered by pinners searching inspirations. So daily updates keep titles, price and availability in sync. Okay, so you all need to know about the requirements before you start. Pinterest business account first. So you all need to have a business account on Pinterest and not a personal account. And also the Pinterest advertiser account sometimes required depending on your region, and you must be the account owner, so like business manager permissions alone aren't enough. Okay, so now we are going to connect Shopify to Pinterest. So at first we will need to install the Pinterest for Shopify app. So to do that, you will need to go with settings from here, and after that you will need to click on the apps option on the left hand menu, and after that just go with Shopify apps or the black color on the top right corner button. Okay, so just click it and then just go with the search bar and look for Pinterest. Okay, so just type it, hit enter on your keyboard, and then just click on the app and click on install. Okay, so actually guys, you will be forwarded into a confirmation page, so you will need just to confirm by clicking on install again. And you will need to know that this app is free to install and you pay only if you run ads. Okay, so just go ahead and click on connect Pinterest account, enter your account credentials, and then go with give access, and then scroll down and go with create business account if you haven't already. Okay, and after that it will be added to your Shopify, and that way you can integrate Shopify with Pinterest. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.